zoom more and give you a idea. This is how a particular order card look like in the order section. Once the user click in this order, he or she can see the entire order list, what she or he have ordered. And these are already necessary items. We can't remove, we can't do any big revamp, but we can just improve it in a better way. Okay. So this is how it is looking right now. And I have extracted few components from here and redesigned into a better way, more visible way. These are the components. Okay, this is the address. This is like these are the things like this is a product details. What are the products he or she have ordered? And this is three different button arrangement and the 6 to 7 days delay section and 2 to 3 days delay of delivery. Okay, so let's start. We are using this much components and we're jumping into the design. And okay, first of all, let's click F and create one card with having here you can see 360 is the complete width. We're gonna minus 16 from left side, minus 16 from right side. So it will be like 32, minus 32. This will be the proper width. We're gonna play around it. Okay. We're gonna place this particular component. Just wait. Let's bring it down over here. Yes, perfect. Let's bring this here, which is really necessary. And this is the address area for the user's address. Perfect. I just make it little bit like off-white shade to properly visible for the user who is going to see the address. Most necessarily the product list. This is a glimpse, so that's why after that a user can just uh, have it like this particular thing. What is called it? Text having three dot, transcend text something. Yeah, user can just have a view what are the products and many more inside it. So user can dive deep inside it by clicking in this particular card or by clicking in this button, then he can just dive deep inside it and see all the product listing and all the pricing, everything, every single detail. Okay. So we are just giving a glimpse for the user. So next we're gonna drag this to here, drag this also. This button is very much necessary because we are already seeing here those things are present. And but if the user this particular order contains 6 to 7 days delivery and 2 to 3 days delivery, yeah, or this particular order contains two different delivery segments. Okay, 6 to 7 days product is also there, 2 to 3 days product is also there. Then definitely we can't represent both, but we're gonna try in a better way. How we're gonna represent both at one card, and if there is only 6 to 7 days product listing, then definitely we're gonna push that product listing here also. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's see how we're gonna create. So similarly, we just jump into a frame and just do a card. If it is a single design, let's make it a curve of 8 because this main frame will contain 16. Let's don't go with frame 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, not like that. Just precisely do it. Let's name this frame as uh, order order ID XYZ. Better. Let's name this frame as 6 to 7 days. Okay, better. Little bit stroke, not so highly. Yes, this is better. Let's place this particular item inside this. So this particular order ID contains one shipment ID. This is one use case I got. That's why I'm mentioning. Uh, shipment ID can vary. Why I'm giving this shipment ID, I will let you know in the further video. Let's name this shipment ID. Okay. Not shipment ID. Let's make it shipment and the tag. Okay, for this particular, let's put this inside and make it auto layout. Perfect. Now it's well arranged. You can see one click away. That's quick now. Okay, better. Make it fill content because I would just want the width should be fixed. And the gap should be not 6, we just make it 8. It's very much necessary because 16 is the distance from the mobile left side and the mobile right side. And then definitely we're gonna divide it into by 2, so 8 will be the distance between this. Okay, good. So this is not well arranged. Make it auto layout, and the distance should be not that high because the card length is gonna increase further, so we just make it 8. And the gap is very uneven, so make it 4 is good to go, I feel. Not much. Yeah, the 4 is better. 4 is really better. We just need one like we just need one line to separate this a lot of information in 2 to 3 different segments. So I have one dotted line over here. So let's place it one in the top because this is the first visual hierarchy you're gonna maintain in this product card. These are the first information set of information. Phone number, address with the set of orders you have placed. Second information with shipment ID included this particular 3 different information unit at once. So second set will be the button. So this will be one section. Top part is one section, and the last part is only the button section. Okay. So this is how the card is look like if the user having one shipment process with 6 to 7 days delivery products are present. All these product contain 6 to 7 days delivery duration. Okay. So let's check the gaps. It's not even, it's not 8. Perfect. Now our card is looking more beautiful, more better than at least this. You guys can see how weird this is. So we will give it a stroke to visually represent. The stroke color should be close to this. Yeah, better. We can change this stroke color to this one gray one. Yeah, now it's perfectly visible. So let's take one frame with Android large, and we're gonna drag this and crop it to the, yeah, we're not gonna create that much again and again now. So that's why cropped, yeah, upper aligned, and let's put this card inside it. Now see how beautifully we have designed it and how beautifully it is looking. Yeah. Now see the difference. How user can easily read this, understand what other things are highlighted. Also the buttons is much more better well present over here. Okay, this is first case. Let's jump to the second case. Second case contains 2 different type of product set where one is 6 to 7 days delivery and another is 2 to 3 days delivery. Then definitely there will be 2 different shipment IDs. Okay, in that case we have our product card little bit gonna increase the size, increase in size. Okay, let's squeeze it. Okay, it's hug content, and this is hug. Just wait 1 second. Make it yes. This is perfect. Shipment ID is perfect. Let's make it squeeze it a little further. Distance gap is 8. Border is 4. This is not good. It should be 8 or 4, something like that. Duplicate this to file. Add into auto layout. Split it down by auto layout. Make it in a vertical, horizontal layout. Yes. We gonna try to make every single statement in a proper technical way, how the Figma is mentioned. Okay, we're gonna do that. Keep on in our brain. So this is one. Let's bring this 2 to 3 days over here. Paste to replace. Delivery is done. Paste to replace. Uh, Paste to replace. So 2 to 3 days is priority. So we're gonna zip it to the right side, left side, and let's make it more smaller. Yeah, now it's perfect. It's will be fill content. Yes, now it's well arranged. We can reduce the size. It's very high. Shipment ID that much not necessary. We can reduce it to 12. For more highlighting area, we'll give to this 2 to 3 days and 6 to 7 days button. Okay. Similarly goes to here when the font width should be 12. Perfect. This is another case where the user ordered two different variety of products where 2 to 3 days which is quick delivery, 6 to 7 days which is delay delivery kind of process. And this is one where the user ordered only set of product which contains 6 to 7 days delivery and having a tag of cancelled, he can cancel it. And also, if it is delivered, then user get this particular delivered message. This will be visible in his order section. Like if the user click order, then user can see this. Perfect. That's it for the day. And hope you to see you soon in the next video. Signing off. Bye bye.